We are getting super excited to have your students with us. And I just want to go over one more time some of the really good points that we think are important for students to be successful when they get to campus with us. One of the first things that we talk about with students, and we think it's important for you to know these things, is that college is connected. That all of the things that they do while they're here are connected to one another. The second thing that we ask students to keep in mind is to remember that their experience is unique here. They come with different experiences, they're going to have different experiences. They're all important, and we welcome all of them. The third thing that we talk with students about is that work is required. It's hard work to be a college student. You've got a lot of expectations on you. You're juggling time, you're away from home for the first time. It's hard work to be a student. When things get tough, this is our fourth point, we tell students, hang in there, it'll be okay. It might not look pretty all the time, but your experience will get better. You just hang in there. Our fifth point is it takes time. It takes time to figure out who you're going to be, how you're going to navigate through the journey while you're at school. You have to know the system. That's one of our other points. Knowing the system here, how things work, where you go to get help, who do you ask for advice. We have a lot of different professional staff and as well as professors on campus who can help students to navigate the system. The final piece of the transition is the understanding that with great independence comes great responsibility. And throughout the 4 years that a student is with us, we're trying to help them become the best human being that they can be. That takes on a lot of different paths, a lot of different journeys, and we are here to support each and every one of our students in their own unique journey.